Hi everyone! This week I have been learning about some cool tech topics from future trends to practical skills. Here is a short summary of what I have learned. CIO Agenda for 2025. Grow the Digital Vanguard. This video from Gartner talks about how leaders can improve digital projects and prepare for the future of IT. Top strategic tech trends for 2025. Another great Gartner video. It explains new tech trends like smart AI and how they will change businesses. Microsoft CEO's shocking prediction. Matthew Berman shares Satya Nadella's idea. In the future, AI agents might replace regular software, a big change. Apple's $95 million Siri settlement. This BBC News video talks about Apple solving a problem with Siri recording and what it means for privacy. Introduction to Linux full course for beginners, and still watching this one and learning a lot. A helpful free code camp course teaching Linux basics like commands and tools, great for beginners. Introduction to Linux, it's one of the best, and I have made my own videos for you, making it even more simple for anyone to use it. How to actually achieve your goals in 2025. Ali Abdal give easy tips to set goals and stay on track. Very inspiring for the new year. This week I have learned about future tech trends, improved my Linux skills, and thought about how tech impacts privacy. Lots of exciting ideas. Thanks for watching and listening. You can check the full video by simply doing the search and let me know what did you explore this week. I would love to know what everybody is learning.